How to find archived emails in Gmail. When you clear your trash folder after deleting emails from your Gmail account, they are permanently deleted from your account. Instead of deleting emails, you can archive them if you want to hide them. This makes it possible for you to locate and retrieve the emails in the future. How to archive an email. Open your Gmail app or simply enter into the browser on the Gmail site. Simply choose an email or multiple emails in Gmail. Click the Archive button, and the email will be saved. The Archive button displays in the menu just above your list of emails when you choose them on the Gmail website. In Gmail, click the Archive icon to save a message. Now I just archived these 3 emails. The same will apply to Gmail app on iPhone or Android. You need to select the emails and then tap the Archive button on the top menu that displays in the Gmail program on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. The Archive button is made to look exactly like the button on the Gmail website. Any emails you archive will be removed from your primary Gmail inbox as well as from any possible specialized categories. However, if you use Gmail labels to create a separate folder, you may still access them in that folder. How do you find archived emails in Gmail? So archived emails are removed from the default Gmail interface. Changing to the All Mail folder view in Gmail is one way to find archived emails. This will display a long list of all of your Gmail emails, including any that have been automatically sorted and prioritized emails. By selecting the All Mail view label from the left Gmail menu on the Gmail website, you can view this list. To access all emails, including old emails, use the All Mail tab in Gmail. Click the hamburger menu icon. If you do not see the menu, look on the top left corner. Click on the More option. Now click on the All Mail option. Now you see the emails I just archived here. Of course, it's not so easy to search in all of these emails, but you can also use the search feature from the top. If you want to find a specific email, just use the filters or search query on this page and you should search in all your emails, including the archived ones. This is how you find archived emails in Gmail. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.